resetting character's look. So if you want to reset the look of your character, you need to go to utility and reset under the utility tab. Now this reset has one important button, which is the reset button, and there are also important checkboxes that needs to be interacted with. We have the reset all that resets everything. We have the face that helps you reset just the face of the character. We have the cartoony face that helps you reset just the cartoony attribute of that particular character. And we have the physique that helps you reset the physique of this character. Now, all these options can be checked at once, as you can see currently. When I hit on the reset here, everything would reset. But I just want to do it one step at a time. So first of all, I'm going to take out the physique. So I want to reset everything but the physique. When I hit on, I need to take out the face as well. Okay, so hit on the reset button and let's see what happens. So you can see the cartoony face was reset, and that's why the shape of the head looks a bit more normal than what it looked like previously. So when I take out the physique, let's see the effect of that. Now the character looks more moderate and less huge like it was before. How about the face? So now this is the default face, but the hair is not default, the outfit is not default, the footwear isn't default, and that's because I've not reset everything that has to do with this character. So I'm just going to do that now by hitting on the reset all, and this reset all is going to reset everything regardless of what I have checked right here. So I'm just going to click on the reset, and that resets everything back to the original character. Even the animation, if you notice, I don't have any other action on this character, whereas previously I had an idle animation on it. So this is how you reset your character. You can reset in layers, and you can also choose to reset everything all at once.